Hi traders and welcome. Lockie here. I'm the senior educator at Samurai Day Trading out of Singapore. Very often we get the question, what is it like to be in the live trading room? And also, what is it like to have a professional trader or a professional trading team call the trades for you as live in the market with around about 60 to 70 other traders all waiting for exactly the same trade. Now, with that said, ladies and gents, let me run this video for you. I'm going to try and do it as quickly as I possibly can. I'm going to feature two trades, guys, from one of our live trading room recordings from this week, so you can see how the trades were called and what the results were, and ultimately do a quick sort of layout brief for you. Speaking of layout, bottom left-hand corner, this is the DAX40 trading room. So in the bottom left-hand corner, we have the FESX. That's our primary reference chart. That is also the largest market in the world, guys, when we are trading the European Open. Top left-hand corner, again, is either a 15-minute chart, a 30-minute chart, or a 60-minute chart. What does that ultimately mean? As we're looking at the bigger charts to pick up bigger moves with the intent of going for longer range targets, very small risk, far longer range targets. And finally, guys, on the right-hand side, this is the one we're going to be focused on primarily during this video. Guys, that is the 5-minute chart. That is our primary execution chart. That's where we get all of our entries and exits from. It's also where we get our stop losses from. That's how we estimate our risk. And naturally, we're going to be getting our targets from larger charts. So what we'll do, ladies and gents, we'll play the recording from the live trading room session this week. I want you to experience what it is like to be in the live trading room with the team calling trades for you as per the 101 education strategy. Guys, I hope you enjoy the video, and I hope eventually we get to see you in the live trading room. So let me go and play the charts live. Guys, we'll find out what it's like to be in the Samurai Day Trading live trading room. What I keep a very close eye on, very close eye on today is, again, climactic reversal. All right, climactic reversal. If we get an agreement from the FESX, then again, that climactic reversal on DAX is looking pretty good. At this stage, guys, they're selling like a freight train. We were expecting them to sell down relatively hard. Now, the reason I mention that relatively hard is because, again, we have the gaps closed on both European markets. Now, if you are a single touch reversal trader, guys, of yesterday's low, I know some of you are very good at that. They've just cruised through, tag yesterday's low, and they're cruising back the other way. Right. So if you were really fast, guys, you may have got entered on that trade. All right, you may have got entered on the trade. For those that don't trade the opening candle, guys, again, look at this. Look. Guys, we literally just cruised down and hit the 133 extension. So there would be reason, guys, if you're a 133 fib extension trader, see the agreement we've got here between the pivot and the 133. Guys, your long entry would be sitting up to 5 points above that, and you would be trying to run it all the way back to the pre-bottom. Guys, now, if that is your trading style, guys, absolutely awesome. Absolutely awesome. If that's not your trading style, just wait for the candle to close. There'll be many opportunities, guys. FESX is buying hard. Okay, so the FDAX traders, that Fibonacci is wrong. For the FDAX traders, there we go. It's that one there. For the FDAX traders that have bought the market, that's because the FESX is moving up quite nicely. You're trying to hold your buy as long as you possibly can. Now, guys, FESX is charging in the opposite direction. FESX is charging in the opposite direction. So we'll wait for this candle to close, guys. For the climactic reversal traders, again, I would encourage you, guys, at this point in time, if this candle locks in above the 76.8 Fibonacci, so if we lock in above the 76.8, again, what we want to occur is we want the market to sell down, guys, inside the new candle. Then we're looking to buy the market, guys, as per the 101 strategy, guys, at 037. Guys, so we'll just see what the market does. We've got around about 8 seconds until we get clarity on that. And what we're looking to do is we're looking for the sellers to sell back down. Guys, so just let them sell back down a little bit further. All right, here come the sellers. Now, if you trade a climactic reversal, you can now put your entry on the market at 037. And again, you're looking for, guys, a fill at 037. You are then looking for a first target at 042. All right, so I'm going to draw the first target on for you at 0.42, right, just as a reference point for everybody. Right, first target is out. All right, so if you are a climactic candle trader, all right, so we waited for the sellers to show. We've gone long at 0.37. Well done. Our first target is 0.42. Guys, our next target is for the slightly more experienced traders is 0.47. So you've gone through a 5-point target, a 10-point target. For the experienced traders, we're going to try and trade it back up to the gap, please. So we're going to try and trade it back up to the gap as a minimum. Please make sure, guys, nobody has any risk on this trade. Well done to everyone in the live trading room who took that trade. That is a phenomenal trade. So well done. So guys, so please post your profit through as you do. Yeah. So yes, guys, it's a really start to the day. Guys, there's no question about that. Really lovely start to the day. So if you are long, guys, if you are long, junior traders, 5 points, slightly more senior traders or junior traders with a little bit more ambition, you're going for 10 points. Please make sure, guys, your stop losses now come through to positive. You can't lose any money on this trade at all. Obviously, the charts are running live, guys, Wednesday, the 11th of Feb. And for those that know, guys, I am recording today just so people can experience what it is like to be in the live trading room. Hi traders and welcome back. Lockie here. That was the first, guys. That was the first of 4 trades that we called in the live trading room. Suffice to say, everybody was pretty good, pretty happy with it. Guys, now again, if you want to do a quick sort of cross-check on that, there is actually a video on YouTube, guys, video on YouTube. Guys, it's a short video, only 60 seconds long from the 11th of February that shows you the other trades that were called. Now, guys, in the interest of time, what I do want to do, however, is show you one of the trades that was called right on the turn of the hour. And what I want to do here is, if I can, guys, I want to draw your attention to this black delta V2. Can everybody see that little black diamond there on the screen? Now, as we came into the hourly turn, what occurred is, once again, the FDAX is famous for failing at Fibonacci's, as is the NASDAQ, as is the S&P 500. So what I said to the trading room, we've got this really lovely buy candle setting up here. What I want you to do is once again go long again. Guys, this time, because we had such a really heavy sell down, we were actually looking for not only a $280 target, but also double that and also 4 times that. So for a number of traders, guys, on that little black diamond right there on the screen for you, guys, a number of the traders are actually going for $1,000 target. Now let me show you. Just by stepping this video through, guys, this is a live recording of exactly what occurred in the live trading room. Guys, let me show you what occurred, guys, in the next couple of candles, because it might surprise you, as I'll show you where that $1,000 target is, but it might surprise you how quickly we can get these markets to move in our favor. So let me just fast forward this for you. Guys, I'll just click it through. All right, so it's now just going to come through for you over and over again. And what I'm going to do is go draw for you exactly where these targets were. So this trade, guys, was also called in the live trading room. It's called the hourly turn. The FDAX, the NASDAQ, and the S&P 500 are absolutely famous for achieving this trade. Can everybody see right at the top here? We've got these two very bright green, these two little bright green Delta V3s. That's a very powerful signal in the market, basically saying the market is going to fly to the high side. So a number of people did get in on those Delta V3s as well. So let me just fast forward this video through. I want to make sure that I don't waste your time, but I also want to show you the power of this incredible live trading room. I think we've gone far enough. So let me draw the targets on for you, ladies and gents, but suffice to say, that's the clarity that we call signals for in the live trading room. Guys, that's how we love to run live trading rooms. It is 100% as per the 101 education strategy. The reason we do that, ladies and gents, is to make sure that even if you are a beginner trader, that you are assisted on where to enter and exit the market. You know your risk control points, you know your targets. And the goal with the live trading room is to get together internationally from all over the world, trade together, make as much money as we possibly can, while at the same time providing, I think, a world-class education platform for you to understand the Samurai 101 course, the Samurai indicators, and the Samurai strategy in detail. So guys, I hope that video gives you an idea of what it's like to be in the live trading room. We had 4 winning trades on February the 11th. So 4 trades, 4 wins, a lot of very happy traders. And I hope, ladies and gents, this is enough for you to say, hey, Lockie, I think I'm going to join you in this live trading room and experience what it is like to be a Samurai day trader. So guys and girls, I hope you enjoyed the video and I look forward to seeing you in the live trading room.